Ever feel like your business is running on hamster wheels? Your team is working hard, but you're not gaining the strategic ground you need? What if you could automate not just tasks, but excellence itself? Welcome to the future of competitive advantage, AI automation. This isn't just about saving time. It's about unlocking unprecedented scale, precision, and growth. Let's talk about the tangible benefits, the ROI. AI automation drives efficiency, slashing operational costs by handling repetitive, high-volume tasks. It enhances scalability, allowing you to grow your output without linearly growing your overhead. It provides data-driven insights, turning your information into a strategic asset for smarter decision-making. And crucially, it boosts customer satisfaction with 24/7 intelligent support. But let's be strategic. There are real considerations. The initial investment in technology and integration is a factor. You must manage change within your organization and ensure your data quality is high, garbage in, garbage out. And it requires a shift in strategy. You're not replacing your people, you're augmenting them, freeing your talent to focus on innovation, creativity, and complex problem solving. So, who wins with this? The answer is almost everyone. E-commerce sites use it for personalized recommendations and customer service. Financial firms deploy it for fraud detection and compliance. Marketing teams leverage it for hyper-targeted campaigns and lead scoring. Manufacturing optimizes supply chains and predictive maintenance. If your business has data, processes, or customers, AI automation is your new leverage. The potential is staggering, but seeing is believing. To truly grasp how this transforms a business, you need to see it in action. Check the link provided in the video description to watch the full demo of the top-learning AI automation platform for business. See the real-world application. If you found this insight into the future of business useful, do me a favor, smash the like button and subscribe for more strategies that turn technology into profit.